Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you fix if your WhatsApp messages are already seen but no blue ticks have been shown. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. So if you're having this issue with your WhatsApp messages, you just simply have to open your settings of WhatsApp. And after opening the settings, just simply go into this privacy setting in here. And after that, you will get this option of read receipts. You just simply have to enable this toggle for read receipts, and after that you can get the blue tick into your read messages. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.